Fertilization in human being. It is a process of fusion of the two type of the gametes, that is the spermatozoa and the egg, is known as to form the zygote, and this process is known as the fertilization. Fertilization occurs in the human being inside the ampulla isthmus function part of the oviduct. It is very viviparous mammal. The site of the fertilization is the fallopian tube oviduct. During the copulation, the continuous stimulation of the gland penis discharge of the semen to form from urethra into the vagina of the female. Here is a group of the semen. Semen include the seminal vesicle, ejaculative prostate gland, and the spermatozoa. Fertilization involves the following steps. Fertilization occurs in the ampulla. The first one is the arrival of the spermatozoa. Second one is arrival of the egg. Third one is the capacitation of the sperms. First one, arrival of the spermatozoa. Arrival of spermatozoa is the vagina. In the vagina of the female, male discharges semen in the female vagina during copulation. This process is called insemination. Now the sperm reach from vagina to ampulla oviduct. The sperm travels into fallopian tube through a fluid. A single ejaculation of the semen includes into vagina about 200 to 400 million sperms. Only 100 sperm reach the fallopian tube. The uterus helps in the transport of the sperm, and the sperm may reach within 5 minutes into fallopian tube. The sperm can survive in the female reproductive tract for 1 to 3 days. It can fertilize the oocyte within 12 to 24 hours after ovulation. Arrival of the egg. Eggs are released from the Graafian follicle into ovary and is reversed by the fallopian funnel and sent into the fallopian tube. It is the secondary oocyte which undergoes second meiotic division. The secondary oocyte can live for 72 hours but can fertilize during the first 24 hours. Recent research suggested that the fertilization takes place within 5 hours. Only one sperm fuses with only one egg and to form the zygote, and rest eggs degenerate to form are engulfed by the leukocyte. Capacitation. The sperms are capable of fertilizing the egg by secretion of the female genital tract. These secretions remove certain molecule on the surface of the sperm from the semen. This process is known as the capacitation of sperms. It takes about 6 hours. The secretion of the seminal vesicle, prostate gland present in the semen contains nutrients which activate the sperms and the substance that neutralize the acidity of the vagina. Here is a diagram. This shows how the sperm enter the egg. The part of the egg here is this. Now the chemical and physical events of the fertilization next day.